Trading volume has collapsed 61% over the week. Shorts are adding on at the bottoms. Crypto traders are talking more about gold and silver than they are about Bitcoin or altcoins. Sounds bearish, right? Not exactly. You take a look at Santaman's data for Bitcoin's trading volume last week. 61% crash in the trading volume week over week. Nobody's buying, nobody's selling. But here's the thing that most people miss about volume collapsing during downturns. Just because the volume dries up and the price is lower doesn't mean that nobody cares. It often just means that sellers are finished. And that means that things can move higher without a lot of buying pressure. While the volume has been evaporating, something weirder is happening. Santaman tracked a 742% surge in social media mentions of gold and a 514% spike in mentions about silver. We're not talking discussions about gold and silver going on in gold and precious metals forums. We're talking about inside crypto communities. Hell, even on Cryptotwits. Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, lots of discussions about gold and silver. Crypto Social is literally talking more about shiny rocks than the assets sitting in their wallets. And if you want to combine gold and silver social dominance, it has exceeded Bitcoin's social dominance for the last 46 days straight. But that's not all, because funding rates on exchanges have flipped negative on 8 out of the last 14 days, meaning that traders who are still actively in the market, they're overwhelmingly betting on the downside at lows. They are adding shorts to a market that hasn't shown a lot of sell volume left. This is a powder keg. That's not a time to start being bearish. That is often the time to start paying very close attention to what's going on. Keep up with what people are trading and saying, head over to stocktwits.com and download our app.